Hi guys, this is Mr. T and you are watching Mr. Tranquilo's channel. Today we are in Amsterdam, in Holland, in Netherlands. And today I am going to record canals, bridges and canal boats in Amsterdam. Amsterdam is famously known as the Venice of the North due to its extensive network of canals and bridges. Amsterdam has 165 canals that length over 100 kilometers. It is about 60 miles. Three main canals actually forming the UNESCO's World Heritage Site, and these are Herengracht, we call it Gentleman's Canal, Kaisergracht, that's Emperor's Canal, and Prinsengracht, that's Prince Canal. The canals were constructed in the 17th century as a part of innovative city planning project. This system of canals and bridges is integral to Amsterdam's charm, offering both scenic beauty and practical means of transportation and water management. Amsterdam boasts over 1,200 bridges. Exact number is the 1,281. This is a big number and more than Venice. Hop on, hop off boats in Amsterdam. This is the flexible way to explore the city. In hop on, hop off tours, there are a lot of stops very close to the major attractions. So boats are a good way to explore the city. There are a lot of guided canal tours in Amsterdam, and most tours last around 1 or 2 hours and include a guide narrating Amsterdam's history, architecture, and culture. Many companies offer multilingual audio guides too. Canal boats in Amsterdam are one of the city's most iconic features, offering a unique way to explore the beautiful waterways that weave through its historic streets. Traditional, classic canal boats, and also there are smaller open-top boats that offer stunning views. These are ideal for sunny days and often used for private tours. Traditional, classic canal boats are elegant boats, often with a wooden finish and glass roofs for panoramic views, typically used for guided tours. They emphasize Amsterdam's historic charm. These are famous Dutch houses on the river houses in Amsterdam. See, the houses is on the sea and connected to the land with some chains. This is very famous in here, and there are some boats, a towboat and a small one. Of course, this is a personal boat. You know, this boat is just going touring the river and canals in Amsterdam, and there are some big ones right here, you see. Yeah, beautiful. This is also a river house. High-end, fully restored boats with luxurious interiors, often used for a private event, romantic dinners, or exclusive tours. Eco-friendly boats are very important nowadays. Electric or solar-powered boats for sustainable touring. Amsterdam is striving to make its canals tours greener. Many operators now use electric or hybrid boats. New regulations encourage sustainability in both construction and operation. The best time to go for a canal tour in Amsterdam usually spring and summer because of the longer daylight hours, warmer weather, and lush canal side greenery. In autumn, you can find crispy air with stunning fall colors. And in winter, there are cozy boats with heated interiors, and you have a chance to see Christmas lights reflecting on the water. And there's also a light festival during winter in Amsterdam. At night, many bridges are beautifully lit. Amazing lighting, especially in the canal belt area. And also there are a lot of evening cruises. These boats are often decorated with fairy lights, creating a magical atmosphere and ideal for visiting Amsterdam's amazing bridges and canals. Do it right here. Nice boat. Wow. Has hoop on, hoop off. City sightseeing boat tour. Oh, in Amsterdam. Ah, that's very cool. That's a night river boat tour in Amsterdam. A lot of boats are coming one by one. And you know what? Look at here. It's Light Festival in Amsterdam. That means at night they have boat tour like that, and they have lights like this. See that one? Oh, that's a fish, and the boats are coming. Yeah. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. The boats coming one by one from one side to other. Oh yeah, nice ones. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. Hope to see you in the next one.